Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with instant noodles. Because you don't know what to do with them. Maybe. I got one that came out of a 5 a.m. ramen subscription box. Go to Instant Noodle. Or is it Instant Noodles? No. Go to instantramen.jp. That's it. This guy's got a website over there. Go to instantramen.jp. Get one of these sampler boxes. You use the coupon code The Ramen Raider. Look at this. This is fancy, folks. Premium stuff. This is Maruchan Umakara Tantanmen. Should be good. Alright, we're ready to rock and roll. So let's put the things we put. And what do we put? Solid ingredients. Nice. And the noodle block. That's what we put right now. That'll go for 5 minutes. I'm just gonna slap a lid on top of it for now, you know what I'm saying? We're gonna do the little and then we're gonna do our quote of the day from Momofuku Ando. He speaks volumes. Lately on golf. Number 293. That was the prefix of my phone number when I was a kid. That's really my ball in the cup. Upon making a shot in the deep fog and finding he had made a hole in one, this was on the third hole of the Daigo course of the Nissan Miyako Country Club. He was 92. It proved to be his first and last hole in one. Okay. That's pretty sweet. Okay. So yeah, I did this show recently called Ramen Hunter. Look it up on Spotify. Anyway. Yeah, Ramen Hunter. Oh, hi, Mimi. What you doing, superstar? Huh? Huh? We're watching Barbie. What you doing? She's a mermaid? Oh. I didn't know that. I didn't know she was a mermaid. They do? Well, come over here and say hi to the nice people. So, what you doing today, other than watching Mermaid Barbie? Yeah, you gotta have school, and then you can have some tablet time. Although your school is on a tablet, but yeah. Are you excited? Yeah. I go woo woo. You just smile so much. I love that about you, sweetie. Always smiling. Go have fun. Run. All day long. Giggling, laughing, having fun. Give it 20 minutes. She'll be screaming her head off. It's crazy. It's crazy. Very curious about this one. But yeah, I'm shooting for 40,000 steps today, plus all the steps I did yesterday. And it's early too. I might do pretty good. Her one and only class is about 45 minutes. It starts at 1:30 and it's only 12:40 right now, so I might be able to slam all this stuff out and be done before her school is done, and right as soon as she's done, start doing apartment laps like a psychopath. Because it's looking cloudy. I don't know if we're gonna go walking today. That would be nice though. What's a little rain, right? Put the sachet of liquid base on top, like I should have. Warm it up a little bit. And then there's a powder sachet. Oh, we got half a minute. But yeah, I don't know. The whole COVID thing right now is just like ridiculous. It's like the whole we're declaring victory, but while it's getting worse thing. I don't understand. There was a guy in Canada. I listen to a lot of Canadian radio. Mostly CKUW out of Winnipeg, Manitoba. I freaking love that station. You guys rule. Yeah, they were talking about somebody up there who was basically recorded saying, oh no, that wasn't. Oh, it was on there. It was about dudes saying, I'd rather see bodies in the street to go through a third lockdown or something like that. It's like, dude, why would you say that? It's always a hot mic. Just go through life. If you're a politician, it's always a hot mic. And nobody, and everybody's listening 24/7. Just always think before you speak. Is that just way too much for people? I'll never understand that. Always think before you speak. But it sounds like they're going to go back down to a lockdown in parts of Canada. In New York, they're gonna have everything like open 100%. And you know what's gonna happen? It's just gonna get bad again. Stupid. I don't understand. It's like humans these days are incapable of learning or governing their passions. It's like if it was all of a sudden super popular to jump off a cliff and people knew that it could kill them, they'd just do it anyways. Hell in a handbasket, I tell you guys. Hell in a handbasket. But, you know, what do I know? I'm just a human. I don't want to get sick. I don't want my kids to get sick. And I'm gonna say right now, this smells like freaking heaven. What's that? That is a meaty chunk, ladies and gentlemen. There are meaty chunks in here. Where'd you go? Is that a meaty chunk? Ooh, it's getting cloudier and cloudier. Miles, can you stop making the horrible noises? He just sits there and makes all these horrible noises all day long. It's his normal thing. But there always has to be some noise emitting from him. Oh, when he stops, she starts. Excellent noodle. What's that? Cabbage. There's one. What's that? That looks like a meaty bit. No. That's yummy. Wow. I like that. That broth too. Lovely. You get little notes of peanut, a little bit of chili oil, all sorts of stuff going on there. Nice, rich, and thick. Winner! Yeah, and that's in one of those boxes. I'm telling you, those boxes. You can get like 5 kinds, and they're like all freaking uber fancy. Came pretty quick too. Alright. On a little bit. Shichimi. I want to use black sesame seed in this one. The black stuff. The black stuff. Too stark? I think so. I'm going to be gentle with this one. Alright. Pretty menacing music for such a tasty bowl of noodles. Let's fix that. Yeah. Alright. Well, that's it for me today. I'd like to thank Frank over at 5 a.m. Ramen for shooting this over. Yeah, super, super primo, awesome stuff. Look forward to trying all of it. And, yeah, if you like the show, please like and subscribe. Go to my channel, look at all the crap on there. There's a lot of stuff to see. So, alright, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.